questions for beginners, what should we grow? I'm just going to kind of list off all the different stuff that I've grown over the past couple of years to give you an idea. I have apple trees. Yeah, fruit trees count. Okay, so don't forget about fruit trees. We have apple trees, plum trees, peach trees, cherry trees. I've never gotten any cherries, but I'm waiting. Some of that stone fruit takes a little while. Broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower. I haven't had as much luck with that. Brussels sprouts, collard greens, mustard greens, arugula, lettuce, kale. Onions, have a little bit of trouble with those. Garlic, trouble with that, but I'm still trying. Carrots, radishes, corn, spaghetti squash, summer squash, zucchini squash, pumpkins, watermelon, cantaloupe, blueberry bushes, I don't know if I said that, raspberry bushes, blackberry bushes. We put in some muscadine grapes and also some table grapes, so hopefully we get some of those this year. Bok choy. I've tried celery, although that didn't work great for me. There's more. Oh, tomatoes. Yeah, tomatoes. I grow a lot of tomatoes. Peppers, basil, parsley, oregano, rosemary, thyme. A lot of herbs that you can grow. And this year I want to get into some medicinal things. So listen, really, you've just got to find out. A lot of these things grow in all kinds of zones, and it just depends on the time of year. Some of the things might be a little bit more specific to an area or a region, but just figure out what would you like to try and try it. Some things are a little harder than others, but not necessarily because they're harder. Tomatoes might be one of the hardest things to keep healthy and to go. My garden, I have a little bit of trouble with root vegetables, except for the radishes. I don't know why. I don't like them as much, but they grow like crazy. So anyway, yeah, so just try some stuff. And that's the biggest thing, is just to get in and try it. You can read all the books, you can watch all the videos, but until you try it, you're not really going to figure out what works for you. So good luck.